Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Gospel singer Jermaine Edwards was recently recognized by the Marion County Board in Florida for his musical contributions. The honoree accepted the certificate at the ceremony in Ocala, where he performed his track, Make You Smile. Speaking on behalf of the Marion County Board, Vice Chairman David Moore commended Jermaine Edwards for changing lives and communities through his music.
Jermaine Edwards has shared his gift across the globe and has a large following of those who are inspired by his music ministry. And whereas Jermaine Edwards has had a significant impact in his homeland, Spanish town Jamaica, and has been awarded the honor of cultural ambassador. And whereas as an accomplished, recognized vocalist, instrumentalist, engineer, and producer, it's his passion to give back and reach the younger generation with a message of hope.
Edwards is the latest Jamaican artist to be recognized internationally, as Ding Dong and D'Angel were highlighted this summer by the states of New York and Georgia, respectively. The gospel singer will wrap up his USA Asia tour come October 5. The tour, dubbed I Will Follow, kicked off on September 7 and saw Jermaine Edwards making stops in Orlando, Florida and Texas, among others. The tour was in support of his latest album of the same name that was released on July 20. Reggae artist Kez Namdi is gearing up for his upcoming North American tour with critically acclaimed artist Collie Buddz. The tour kicks off on October 10 in Santa Cruz and will see the reggae singer making over 30 stops across the United States. The tour is in support of Kez Namdi's highly anticipated album Skyline Levels Volume 1. Kez Namdi recently dropped the dancehall hip-hop record dubbed Love Me Enough. The single is produced by dancehall legend Suku and will be featured on the new project. The song showcases a different perspective and sound to Kez Namdi's style. Kez Namdi released his Skyline Levels Volume 1 EP back in 2017 and headlined his sold-out solo tour. The project features Victory featuring Chronics. The upcoming tour will end on December 8 in Atlanta.
Shorty said that she loved me now, she want to pull me out and cuff it up.
Now over to the international scene, where pop singers Shakira and Jennifer Lopez have been confirmed as headliners for 2020 Super Bowl halftime show. The announcement was made on social media recently. The concert is one of the biggest in the world, with more than 98 million people in the US alone watching the show this past year. The pair is to perform on February 2 in Miami's Hard Rock Stadium. Their show will be the first to be produced by Rock Nation, an entertainment company founded by rapper and businessman Sean J.C. Carter. Both artists have released chart-topping songs in English and Spanish since the 1990s. The most-watched Super Bowl halftime show was Katy Perry's shark-infested spectacle back in 2015, which drew 120.7 million viewers in the US alone. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.